What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to work on Python division problem. Let's look at the problem statement. The provided code stub reads two integers a and b from standard input. So these are the two integers are reading from the standard input. It means like int means they're expecting a number here. Add logic to print two lines. The first line should contain the result of division. Like the second line should contain the result of a float. No rounding or formatting is necessary. Okay, so far they already kind of given us the answer here anyway, so we just needed to print this. I think the first thing, I think they're asking us to print the integer like this. Let's just try print a // b, and the second one is print a /b. I think that's pretty much it. And let's run our code just to see if it works. Yep, so it's working. I think the first output is 1, and the second one is gives us the floating point. So this one is with the second line C is create the float division. So this one will give us the float division, and this one will give us the precise. Like for example, here it's only 1, and here is all these numbers. I think that's what the problem is. The challenge is here, just to understand the difference between these two when we are divided, to how we can use the precise one and the floating one. I think let's just submit our code just to see. Yep, so all the test case passed. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel.